Sound effects are more important than you think. They give soul to every video, sometimes even more than visual effects, music, or transitions. But here are some common mistakes that editors make about using sound effects in their videos. Number 1. Spamming sound effects. There's no need to repeat sound effects for every single movement, especially sound effects like whoosh. Overusing them can get annoying and ruin your videos. Number 2. Not sync sound effect with the animation. Pay attention to the duration of your animation and your sound effect should be same. If it's not, it feels off. Always make sure your timing is on point. Honestly, a video without sound effects is way more better than one with bad sound design. Last but not least, tweak your sound effects. Some sound effects are too quiet and need a volume boost, while others are too loud and need to be tuned down. Respect your audience ears. Balance is key.